Hey guys, welcome to Data Science. So today we are going to talk about the loops. So what is the loops? Loop is nothing but where we'll do the iterative task. So let's work with some example. So suppose example one. Okay, so we'll create a list here first. So suppose list one is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. Okay, so as we have created this list, so this is the list. So if we want to check the type, list one, so this is a list object. So if we want to iterate over, and how we'll do, suppose for num in list one, print num, right? So the for loop is iterating over the list and printing the numbers. So this way list will work. So this is the very basic example of the list. Hope you guys understood this. So we'll take few more extra cells. Example 2. So suppose for example 2 here, mm, print only even number from the list. So we have the previous list one, right? So from here we need to print only the even numbers. So how will you for num in list one if number is divided by 2 double equal to 0. So I hope you guys know this one, right? Is double equal to means you are comparing it's true or false boolean, right? Because if you put the single equal to, you'll get error because you are assigning the variable. So that's why we should not do that. We have to put the double equal to print num. So here list to come. Now the same thing we can do with other example, print only odd number from list. So for num in list one, if num mod 2 is not equal to 0. So this is the not equal to sign. Okay, so that's the reason I have given the sign here. Print odd number is dot format. Okay, so now we'll explain what is the format I am using. Okay, this is little different way I did. Okay, so it's not equal to 2, it will print the odd number, and I have added this curly bracket, and in this curly bracket, if I choose the format, and in this curly bracket I am bringing this number here which is printing here, so this is the odd number it will do. Now we'll take another example of okay, find even and odd number. So before this we'll add the variable, sorry, one line, and I'll call the list one here. So this is the list for num in list one if num want to equal to 0, print the number is curly bracket is even dot format num elif number to not equal to 0, print the number is odd dot format number else print none. Okay, so I'll explain what I did here. So here I have iterated over the list one by one. Then I have checked is number is divisible by 2 or not. If number is divisible by 2, it will print the even number which is here. And if it is not divisible by 2, it will print the odd, else 0. So this is, you guys, if you want you can skip this, not necessary to add, but this is the example with the elif statement, and might be this example will be useful into the coming future where we'll create more iterative way or more or advanced stuff, so that time this logic will work. So that's the reason I have added here. Okay, so as of now I have done with the numbers. So in the next example, I'll work with the string with the list, and I'll show how a string can perform, okay, into the sorry, this is list with the, yeah, list with the numbers and loop. So in the next example I'll bring string. So I'll show you guys how to work with the string with the loop. So if you guys have any confusion, you can reach me abhijit.pal at gmail.com. So same lecture I'll update into YouTube, and link will be given for the GitHub. So keep be safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.